Oh, I'm gone? Okay. So geothermal energy is the heat within the earth. You basically need three things. You need sufficient water in order to make the energy. You need the heat, which comes from the rock. So basically, the magnet heats up the rock, and then it heats up the water, and then we use the steam to make energy. And then you need permeability. I'm not sure if I said that right, but basically allowing the gas to be able to go through the rock, and then heat up the water, and then make energy. So, this picture right here basically shows, so I just explained how it heats up the water, and then the steam goes up and into the generators. That makes the energy, and then it comes into these cooling centers, which releases the steam into the air, so it's not very bad for Earth. Obviously, it's just steam. And then it gets put right back down. The water gets put back down in like the ground, and then it's just like a continuous cycle, so it's renewable. Yeah, so it's used for like heating up buildings and stuff, and in the summer it's like the opposite, so they kind of go the opposite direction to cool them down. It is renewable, so it's very good for our Earth, so that's why you should use this. We have an unlimited amount of heat from the Earth's core. There's low emission levels from it. It releases small amounts of sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, so yeah. They use scrubbers to remove hydrogen sulfide in the geothermal water sources. In Iceland, they actually already use this a ton. It's like a really reliant source there because they have a ton of really different like water areas. In the US, it's a little bit harder because we kind of have to dig to get it, so it's a bit more expensive. But this is basically what like the factories look like, where they just release the steam. And then up there's Yellowstone, so you can actually see like the steam already getting released. California is the #1 state in the US that uses it, and then it goes down. It's basically only the West Coast as of right now, and Hawaii. So, yeah, that's it.
Cool.